Hello everyone, I'm Percy, once Thomas's most loyal friend, but now just a forgotten pile of scrap metal in the desolate mountains. Look at this orange-red body, it's no longer gleaming as it once was. 80% rusted and peeling in painful chunks. I stand here, motionless in a muddy pit, my engine long dead, my headlights emitting only a desperate, glowing red light. These rusty mechanical spider legs, once meant to help me traverse any terrain, are now shackles embedded deep in the decaying earth. Around me are only cobwebs, dust, and the terrifying silence of abandoned time. Will any restoring hand patient enough to scrape away the mud and save my soul? Or will I forever vanish into the dust of this desolate desert? A greeting from the abyss of oblivion to all of you.
Be careful! What is this thing? Hold it there. Slow and steady. Clear. Attaching now. Lock it in. Keep it steady. We're almost there. The thing's still twitching. I don't like those eyes. Come on, move. ROR. Just a little further. Screech. All right, let's see what we've got here. Just back it in slowly. Wow. Oh my God, look at the size of this thing. Unbelievable. What have we here? All right, let's see what we've got here. Be careful, it's still active. All right, let's see what's under all this history. Come on, you rusted old beast. Just a little more. There, got it, finally. All right, team, this old beauty needs a new set of kicks, and this one's a beast. Let's get it mounted.
Almost got it, just a little more pressure. Wow, that's shining like new now. See? Hard work pays off.
Damn, this is on tight. Just a little more. I don't like those noises it's making.
Almost there. That's a good finish.
All right, looks like that took care of it. Let's get to work on the rest. God, this thing is ancient. Think you can fix it?
All right, let's see if this brush can handle it. Just a little more pressure. Almost got that patch clear.
Okay, let's get those pedals spotless.
All right, time to cut you loose. Finally. Don't take all day. Just a few more seconds, you impatient beast. Almost through it. Got it. Whew, that was tough. All right, time to wake this beast up. Impressive, isn't it? All right, big fella, time for a bath. Hiss. Hold still. This won't take forever. Wow, look at that rust. And those eyes. Maybe I should stop. All right, time to tackle this jungle mud. Just getting it started.
Yeah.
Look at that gloss underneath. Worth the effort, isn't it? Almost finished. Looking good, Rusties. Looks like a brand new beast. All right, time to make this monster shine. Wow, that is insane. What is that thing? Oh no, it's moving. Run. All right, easy does it. Just a few more centimeters. Hold it right there. Looks good.
Almost there. Don't let go of these. They're our only way out. It's getting closer. Hurry.
All right, time to test this baby out. It's right there, boss. Can you see it? Yeah, I see it. It looks hungry. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Watch the claws. Got it, settling it in. Perfect, done.
Oh no, it's the Rasta truck. Run! Driver, execute evasive maneuver immediately.
It's too close.
Keep your distance. Those lights are angry. All right, heave. Steady, steady, watch your grip. Perfect fit, good job. Let's fire it up.
Is that the delivery? Oh, wait, no.
Help! It's here.
All right, system diagnostics are a go. She's running even better than we hoped.
Yeah.
Look at those copper legs shine. This restoration is complete. The paint is coming off nicely. Careful with the jaw, boss. Keep spraying the red on the hood. I'm getting the spider legs cleaned first. Nice, the paint is taken well. Almost there, looking good.
No.
You know it just gets dirty again, right? Worth it to make her shine. All right, looking much better. Just a little more on this windshield.
Yeah.
Perfect, almost done now.
Yeah.
There, all set, good as new. What is that? Ruster needs fuel. No, back away from me. Behold the Mack Truck, a work of art. We built this to be a beast. It's ready for anything. Let's go.
Engaging. Stay calm. Initiating defensive maneuvers. Engage power.
Wow, this is a beautiful truck. What was that? Oh God, it's starting. What the hell is that thing?
Engaging propulsion. Brace for impact. Affirmative. Keep us stable.